Hey guys, this is your flower girl Shelly. So I am working with Rainmaster Petunia. It's kind of a continuation from the last clip I did about these seeds here. And this is how much I've collected so far, and that was out of, I think, 3 seed heads. So what I went ahead and did is I opened up the rest of the buds and emptied them out on the plate. And a couple things I wanted to show you. I mean, this is commonsensical stuff, but this is just how I found some of these harvesting methods, just to make things a little more simpler. So as you can see, as I'm kind of moving this plate a little bit, the seeds are actually falling to the side there, which is a great benefit. If you're gentle enough, you can get the majority down there, and so they just pool up at the bottom of this paper plate, and then makes it easier to get it on to the next one. There's the brush. So, bear with me, I'm doing it one-handed. So, you pretty much just put these all on a clean one that doesn't have any debris whatsoever. So, and then for that, you can just taco it, fold the paper plate up like a taco, or similar. And I have my funnel at the ready that's inside the vial, which are these seeds. It's already named, and I'm just going to put the seed in there. And that is how much I've collected. So far. What else I like to use are these little devices here, these little colanders, and go through your cupboards and or your grandma's house, or or even the dollar store has these. I think this is where I picked this one up at. And this is what I did. I went through the store and my cupboards, and like I mentioned, and I went through to see what household products I had that had different diameters to do the seed harvesting and the breakdown of. And this one works really well for these petunia because I have these extra little bits and pieces here. Oh, wait. I wanted to show you something. Okay, so when you order seed from a store or whatever, well, you get these stray weed seed in with the mix sometimes, and I can see exactly how that happens. That's a weed seed right there. But anyway, so what I do is just dump the whole mess right inside that colander, give it a little shake, and boom, there it is. And this is a paper bowl as well. So that is what I had for you today. I'll see you on the next one.